welcome back. Well, get this. 1/3 of Americans have seen a rodent in their home this past year.
And as the temperature cools down, that number is expected to only go up. So joining us now from Rose Pest Solutions is Janelle Yachino with some ways to help keep those creepy critters on the outside. That's right?
That's where they belong.
Yes.
Yes.
So good to see you again.
You
we were just so
too.
excited and geeking out about Halloween and stuff.
I know, creepy critter season.
Right. It's time to celebrate the spiders and the things. But what are the critters that we're really seeing? I know what I'm seeing around my condo. What are the things we're seeing in our area that are starting to like peekaboo out?
I know, yeah, this is the time of year that everything kind of tries to seek shelter and come in out of the elements. I mean, not including yesterday when we had, weird summer weather, but this time of year as temperatures are cooling down, everything's trying to get indoors. We've got box elder bugs, stink bugs, Asian beetles, spiders, cluster flies, rodents. I mean, when crops get harvested in fields, everything gets displaced. And that's kind of the balance of humans and natures. That's the game we always play all year round.
So that explains why yesterday was such beautiful weather. I was outside and I looked. My house was covered with those whatever you
elder
said.
bugs.
Yeah,
Yes.
Those the little red and black ones?
And the Asian beetles all over my house.
It's
I'm
the
like,
south and west sides of the
going
house,
on?
always.
Are
where the
any
sun
of the
hits.
ones that you listed dangerous a threat to us or our pets?
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of these things are just nuisances, right? But if you let something go too long, you're talking structural damage, you're talking health issues. If you have mice getting into the interiors of your home, it's definitely a risk. And so don't ignore a problem like that. That's my advice to folks.
Now, are we seeing mice or rats on the screen?
That is a rat. And I mean, depending on where you live, if you're close to downtown, if you're near the river, rats are definitely a very real problem.
Yeah, people have been posting on social media. I just saw a rat, and then I'm like,
yes.
I was familiar with that in New York City, but hearing it in the Milwaukee area is different.
Well, they just said in the news, Chicago's got the biggest rat problem now. It overtook New York City.
Yeah.
So let's hope that doesn't creep up to our
let's
area.
not bring that into Milwaukee, shall we?
So, and I love what you brought for us here. Why?
Who's this? Is he up for adoption?
No, absolutely not. But I think it's important for people to understand that, the rats and mice, they've lived with humans based on human error for centuries. I mean, going back to the bubonic plague and the Black Plague, they were a spreader of that whole thing back in the day. But they spread viruses and bacteria and constantly urinate. They have fleas and ticks. It's like you don't want these things.
You just
in your
also don't
house.
want them in your bed or anywhere else.
Crawling across your feet
they're
when
quick,
you're walking
they
on the floor.
Startle you. It's like your life has turned into a horror film. What are some solutions that you offer?
Yeah, so we absolutely do a professional service, and it's a prevention program. So for homes, it's like a quarterly maintenance type of a deal, because every season brings a new plague, let's be honest. Like in the summer, we have mosquitoes that we deal with, and in the spring,
ticks.
everything kind of comes out of the woodwork. But
mice like bugs, you see one. There's
there's
a lot
definitely
more.
more. If you see one mice in your house, there's at least 6 to 12 more, because that's how many come in a litter. And because they reproduce so rapidly.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
It's crazy.
Oh, and you brought a dime and a
coins for
quarter.
reference. So here's a crazy fact. So mice, their skulls, their diameter of their skull is literally the size of a dime. And if their head can fit through an opening, then the rest of their body can follow.
I'm gonna be a mouse.
So
stinker.
if you guys, this is like the best advice I can give homeowners
Okay,
this time of year. Before snow hits the ground, go around the outside of your house. Make sure you're raking and bagging up any debris and foliage that's dropping, dead leaves, things like that. You don't want to create a nesting haven for these critters, right? But then also look at your screens. Make sure there's no holes in the screen. Make sure they're not the size of a dime or bigger, because they will get through. And that's also the same for insects too. And then things like checking the seal on your garage door. I mean, these are cheap fixes. You can get these at any home supply store.
Easy DIY.
Yes, garage door seals.
And what is
this? This is a door sweep for the bottom of a screen door. So same thing, like making sure that you cannot see light through any gaps or crevices. The rodents will look for three things: light, odor, and airflow to detect if it's a highway for them or
Odor?
not.
What do you mean when-
Light, odor,
Odor?
and
Like
airflow.
stinky smells in your house?
Yes. So
Okay.
they've got really good noses.
I like that.
They will follow their nose to their next meal. And so even things though like dog food, bird seed, keep those all sealed in containers. If you've got them in your garage, make sure they're all well sealed because these things will find them.
That
and
happened to
take
me once in
advantage.
my garage. Birdseed all over the place.
A lot of this is good preventative stuff. What if you already have the problem, you're infested? What do you guys offer?
Please call us. We can absolutely do a free inspection, free quote for people, and then evaluate. You know, we look for the root of the problem. We get to the source of the problem. We don't just treat symptoms month after month. We get to the root of the problem, find out where they're getting in, how are they getting in, what are they attracted to, and we work with the homeowner or the business owner to nip it in the bud.
You find the light at the end of the tunnel and solve the problem as opposed to keeping
Absolutely.
them on the hook.
Absolutely.
I love that.
Yep.
It's
All
really, really
right.
fantastic. Oh, Janelle, thank you so much.
Thanks.
You are
Thanks for
so
having
great.
me.
I know.
Yeah.
I feel like I want you to have your own spin-off show all about like pest
We
control for Rose,
You
right?
should. It's a yucky topic, but very important.
It's so true. Well, right now, Rose Pest Solutions is offering $50 off any new ongoing prevention program when you mention TMJ4. Get a free quote for your home or business at rosepestcontrol.com or call 1-800-GOT-PESTS.